Hello everyone, welcome to First Ready Computer Training College. Today, I'm going to take you through how to create relationship in AZANI Internet Service Provider System step by step. In our previous lesson, we created our tables. Now we need to create the relationship. We go to Database Tools, Relationship. You connect the primary key and the foreign key. So table institutions will connect with infrastructure using institution ID. So we will drag and we will enforce referential integrity, cascade, update related fields. Then we will have one-to-many relationship. We connect institution ID in subscriptions. We enforce referential integrity, cascade, update related field. Then we have one-to-many relationship. Same case we do here. And we connect with installation table. Then we have services connecting to subscriptions, service ID and service ID. And with that, we have our relationships. Remember to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.